Today we're going to talk about how is your credit, or more importantly, how is your credit report? Do you know every time you go for a mortgage, a loan, or a credit card, someone is looking at your credit report? It is important that you understand the information that is on there and make sure that it's kept up to date. First, you need to run your full credit report. Your full credit report can be run from many websites: your bank, Equifax, TransUnion, and Credit Karma, to name a few. You want to run your full, paid, detailed credit report, not just the free one. When you run your credit report, your credit is not impacted. Once you have your report, print a copy of it. Read it thoroughly from start to finish. Review all the details on the report. Then go back through the report and highlight information you have questions about. Highlight information you believe is out of date. Highlight information that you believe is old and could be removed from your report. And most importantly, highlight information on the report that you believe is not yours. It is not uncommon for misinformation to be on the wrong credit report. Now let's take a look at your debit and credit cards. For each debit and credit card, make sure that the credit card is yours and that the status of the debit or credit card is correct. For each debit and credit card, review the following information: the issuer of the card, the credit card number and expiry date, the name on the card, the balance, the payment frequency, and the status. If you've missed payments on your credit cards on a regular basis, it will affect the status on your credit report. Report any discrepancies to the issuer or the credit card monitoring services. Anything that is incorrect or very old can be removed or updated. Identity theft and information on the wrong credit report is very common. It is your responsibility to look after your credit report. If you have or have had a mortgage, review the information on your credit report. Check the dates on the mortgage, the amount outstanding, the institution, and the status. It is not uncommon for mortgage information to be out of date or not properly discharged. If you have purchased something with a loan or a lease, review the information on your credit report. Review the start and end dates, the amounts, the status, the issuer. Make sure that the loan and lease information is up to date and is properly discharged. Have you ever claimed personal bankruptcy, had a consumer proposal, or a legal issue? Check the start and discharge date, the amounts, and the details and the status for those issues. Bankruptcy can impact your credit for 7 years. Make sure you have all the information around any issues that you might have. Correcting mistakes will help your credit score. Removing miss or old information also helps. Monitor your credit reports going forward and set up Credit Watch through your credit card or your bank. You want to aim for a credit score above 750. You want your credit report as clean as possible and as up to date as possible. And you want it to show that you can repay your debts consistently and on time. If you still have questions or need help, we would be happy to assist. Contact us using the information on your screen. It is important to protect yourself, your information, your identity, and to control what's on your credit report.